Hello dear wanderer, it is I, Counselor Renz of Piltover, and I will be responsible for introducing you Piltover, the City of Progress, as a cell city. Let's start by answering the question, what is a cell? Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. The human body is composed of trillions of cells. They provide structure for the body, take in nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized functions. Cells also contain the body's hereditary material and can make copies of themselves. Cells have many parts, each with a different function. Some of these parts, called organelles, are specialized structures that perform certain tasks within the cell. I'll be making analogies of cell organelles while I introduce you to our city, Piltover.
Wake up to the sounds of the silence that allows for my mind to run around with my ear up to the ground. I'm searching to behold the stories that I told when my back is to the world that was smiling when I turned. Tell me you're the greatest, but once you turn, they hate us. Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Well, away, I swear I'll never be a sad away. My enemy. Well, away, I swear I'll never be a sad. But I'm ready. Your words up on the wall as you're praying for my phone and the laughter in the hall.
Piltover has what you call a head or leaders. They are called counselors. And yes, I am one of them. We are responsible for the whole city. Without us, there would be no one to lead the community. Therefore, everything will fall apart. Just like how the nucleus is in a cell, the nucleus controls and regulates all the activities inside the cell. But the nucleus also carries genes, structures that contain hereditary information. Here is a Piltover's headquarters. This is where we mainly stay and have our meetings. As a counselor, I feel protected when I am inside as it is heavily guarded to protect us. We don't let unauthorized personnel come in as they may pose a threat to us, especially that a head of a city is a big target for the enemies. It is the same as the nuclear envelope because it protects the cell and it is a highly regulated membrane barrier that separates nucleus from cytoplasm in eukaryotic cell. Without this, the cell would collapse and die. Let me show you where the magic of our progression is made, which is the laboratory. Here we make gadgets and different kinds of technologies to make our quality of life better each day. Hence, where the City of Progress came from. What's most important is the energy we make, where we harness magic in the air. Yes, you have heard it right, magic. Turning it into energy to power up Piltover and our technologies. Sounds familiar? Well, it is the same as the mitochondria. And you have guessed right, it is the powerhouse of the cell. It is a cell organelle that produces energy using food molecules in the form of carbohydrates and combines them with oxygen to produce energy in the form of a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, just like our energy hex cores.
The gemstone can power virtually anything. The Atlas Gauntlets. The mining colonies and the fissures can work faster and without fatigue.
Oh, are you hungry? That's perfect then. We have a public market in the city and some restaurants along the road. Let's go to my favorite place to get food and drinks called The Last Drop. It is such an amazing restaurant that will make you come back again and again and again. I can also compare it to ribosomes. They function as a micro machines for making proteins or food for the cell, as you need protein to help your body repair cells and make new ones. So, how's the food? It's good, right? Come on, let's go take a walk. I'll show you something.
Counselor, what's that in the sky?
The sky? Oh, that is our airships. They deliver food, drinks, resources, and other products that we offer and trade to different parts of our city, and in different cities as well. It is the endoplasmic reticulum of our city. Endoplasmic reticulum can be considered as the delivery boy inside the cell because they transport the materials needed by the cell like nutrients, enzymes, hormones, and etc. Do you also see that big structure as well? That is our hex gate. It is like a portal which makes our transportation and delivery faster, smoother, and better. That is our most recent advancement with our hex cores, and I'm really proud of it, which then again can be compared to endoplasmic reticulum because it is in charge of delivering carbohydrates, lipids, and enzymes which are used in the production of new cellular membranes. If we have a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, what about the rough endoplasmic reticulum? Well, look down. You are standing on it. Our roads are the same as the rough endoplasmic reticulum, with restaurants attached to it, just like how ribosomes are attached to the RER, or the rough endoplasmic reticulums, to produce protein. Leading outside Piltover is our bridge gates, where our guards are mostly stationed to keep track of what and who goes inside the city, and to protect Piltover from danger. Our bridge gates are like cell membranes, as it surrounds the city to protect Piltover from enemies and intruders. And our guards as our lysosomes, who will eliminate anyone who dares to threaten Piltover. There have been tough battles fought over the years. Some cities face destruction from the demons we try to fight and suppress. Listen to me. What makes this city of progress is that we keep trying until we get it right. You are standing here now because of our heroes that sacrificed their lives fighting danger all around us. From the danger of the Undercity, who wants to abuse the power that we have for themselves, just like how cancer cells and virus cells abuse your own power against you. We look out for each other. It's the way it's always been. Always stand together. In the pursuit of great, don't lose yourself.